Hello, learner. Welcome to Learning JMeter Step by Step. My name is Rahul Mishra, and today is day two. Today, we are looking for the JMeter folder structure and JMeter undo and redo. So, by default, JMeter undo and redo wasn't enabled, but it is very useful because if you change something wrong, then you have can undo or some mistake happened, something you removed, then redo. So that's why enabling undo and redo is very important. So let's start with JMeter folder structure backup. So whenever you install, uh, whenever you open the JMeter, you will not found this for backups. Reason being, it is already created by the JMeter. So no, till now, if till now you are not starting the scripts, you will not see anything or at all this folder even on your. So once you started scripting, you can see this backup folder and the automatically backup will be saved by the JMeter in this folder. If no scripting, nothing will be displayed. Second is bin, so which is very important, where you will find all the JMX build, all the binary files are located in there, executable, launching the your test case from this folder, and all the sh for the UI launch sh files, UI property file, examples, everything will be found in this bin folder. Next is docs. So doc is having image, CSS, API, subfolders, and JMeter documentations. All things will be found here. And next is extra. This extra folder is used for supporting the file for JMeter GUI. So nothing will do with this. Library, it's again a very important. Uh, all the executable jars required by the JMeter and will be found there. Inside that library, there is another subfolder ext and JUnits. So where extension of the file. So whenever you want to add any plugin uh, or supporting jars, you have to put it here directly. If you are behind the proxies, you can directly paste download the jar from the internet and paste it here. So otherwise plugin manager will do everything for you, and it will save the library and jars inside this library folder. So license is JMeter's license, and uh, all the license related task will be found here. License folder, it's having all the copyright and other informations, and then notice is from again from the JMeter. Then the printable docs, demo docs, tutorials, and other PDF stuff will be found here. I will show you in JMeter exactly how these things will be look like. So okay, last time we launched the application from here. Let me clear my screen, and now you can see we are in bin folder. Just one step back, and you can see these folders here, which we discussed. Sorry. Okay, so here you can see readme. Here you can see backup folder is not there because we yet not started the script. So as earlier I told, it will be not display here. So this is a folder structure, and you can find here. Next, our topic is JMeter plugin. So JMeter is plugin is very important. So whenever you want to do some extra functionality from the JMeter and other which is developed by the other, so no need, you want to utilize, you need a plugin manager. So this no need to download different and search in internet. So these things will be stuff will be done by the plugin manager. It will help you to search for you and installing on upgrading the installations for you. So I will show you how to add those things. Okay, so plugin manager can be found here, and sorry, plugin manager. Oops. Okay, let's go to the Chrome browsers and where we can download the plugin manager. First website default itself, you can download it here. So it's saying you can download the plugin manager jar here and put in libext. So once downloading is completed, we need to copy it and move to our sorry lib, and here we need to find the ext folder. Here you can see, and we need to paste it here. I downloaded second time, so it's showing underscore one. Just removing that, and when I'm starting my JMeter, if you are in Windows machine, you need to use batch file, and for Mac and Linux .sh file. You can see plugin manager will install automatically. Now you can see install. We didn't install any extra plugins available in market. You can see and upgrade if anyone. So this is a way you can install, and we will discuss more about plugin manager in future, and we need definitely use this. And our third topic is JMeter undo and redo. So undo and redo are basically basic feature of any editor, but uh, in JMeter it is directly not by default it is enabled. You can see you cannot find any option for undo or redo, but once we did the option changes, you can see this option get added here. How to do this thing? Okay, navigate to the bin folder. So let's follow the steps. We are in bin folder in our yeah, in bin folder. Then open the JMeter properties. You can find the JMeter properties here. This one file. Uh, Open any editor where, as you want, and search for the undo. Okay, undo in line 119, you can see undo and reduce size is disabled. Just enable it, and you can by default it is recommended 25, but we can go up to 10. So 10 time undo and redo will be saved. Save this file. Once the changes is done, you can see there is no undo redo option. Just restart your IntelliJ, sorry, JMeter. Now you can see undo and redo, but right now it is disabled. Reason being no threads or nothing, or no planes. Now you can see it is enabled. So if I added something and just undo, it gone. So thanks for joining this session. We'll meet on next topic.